Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Yahoo app. After you open up your Yahoo Mail app, next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon right here. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on settings. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to manage account privacy. Then click on your privacy controls. Then click on personal info. Then click on update profile photo. Click on upload from device. Then choose your photo from your device right here. I'm going to use this particular photo right here. Then you have to adjust the photo. Once you're satisfied with the photo, save change. Then by the time you refresh the page, the photo is going to be added to your Yahoo ID profile. So take a look at it from the top right here. By the time you click on your Yahoo profile picture, it's going to be effect on your Yahoo account. It's that simple.